Good evening. This is the first tutorial for how to use Google Sites. For my quick tutorial, I'm going to just show you how to open and create and where to find your Google site. First, you'll click on the 9 squares and you will open up your Google Drive and make sure you're logged into the appropriate Google site or login. Then you'll go to New and go to Google More, and then you'll select Google Sites. From there, you'll get the following screens. If it's your first time using it, there's also some other helpful hints. Also, it just shows you, if you click through here, how you can integrate your Google site into all the other easy features of Google. So if this is your first time, I suggest that you click through all that. Also, we can go down here to change image, select image. There are several types of things that we can pull that are pre-selected. You can also find your own graphics in those things as well. Here you can title your Google site. So for here will be demo number 1. And as you know, you'll also want to go up here and then title your Google site as well. Within there, you'll see the normal several of the normal icons and logos that you normally find in Google Sites, and throughout the Google tools. And of course, you can go in here and manipulate any things that once you get to that point. So that is the first tutorial of how to actually find Google Sites and to start and save. And as you notice here, all changes are saved in your Google Drive where you can access it from there.